Today's episode of just want some cold air. I was gonna pull this down and seal up one compartment for the other, but then I found this. Let's see. I have no idea. Well, that's wide open. I'm sure I got a vent back there. And it's the same on this side. So I'm gonna stick some of this down in there. Don't have as much. This is asphalt tape. I got another roll of it, can't find it. So I'm gonna seal it. I don't have to come back to this with my sealing techniques. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just block these corners off. Then I'm gonna seal the sides of this up. Top seal pretty good. I got these wires coming out, which obviously go to the new thermostat or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You can feel it coming out the thing more. Then it's air coming out these holes here.